Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use filters in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app, and here it usually opens up in the shopping menu, where we can look at different kinds of clothing articles and fashion trends and different styles and get inspired. But from here, we actually have to go into some searching. Let's say we are looking for t-shirts and polos, and then we want to filter our finds. In the top right corner, in this section, we find filters. If we tap on these, and then there's going to be a plethora of different criteria that we can filter our results by. We can filter by price and newness, and size, color, sustainability, price, whether it is on a sale or not, whether it is free delivery or not, sleeve length, fit, every kind of criteria that you can imagine. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.